ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗದೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಟಿ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಜಯರಾಮ್ ಸಾವನ್ನಪ್ಪಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಪಘಾತದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಚಂದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಪಘಾತವಾಯಿತು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದು ನಿಂತ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಚಂದು ವಿವರಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪವಿತ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಯಾಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಚಂದು. ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಯಾಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಮಳೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ 3 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಉಂಟಾಯಿತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರಿನ ಬಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಕಾರು ಡಿಕ್ಕಿಯಾಯಿತು. ಪವಿತ್ರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಅಪಘಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯವಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಉಸಿರುಗಟ್ಟಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರು. ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗದೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅವರ ಸಾವಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಚಂದು ಅವರು ಘಟನೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ವಿವರಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Actually, we were traveling from Bangalore to Hyderabad. We started here from 2:30 in the afternoon. We started and it was in heavy rain between like 5 to 7 o'clock. It was 3 hours complete rain. Because of rain, we were in the middle of the traffic. After that, it was like we completely like tired. Like we were traveling from the other place, so we were tired. We were completely asleep. In the car, there was 4 people. Driver was there. Beside driver, there was like Pavitra's sister daughter was there. I was beside the driver. Pavi was beside me. Pavitra was beside me. We were traveling. We were completely in the sleep mode. And suddenly, like driver hit in he was telling that he was traveling on the 60 feet road. Suddenly the RTC bus came and hit into the Scorpio vehicle. He suddenly, with like tense, he drew this like wheel to the right side. It went out into the speed breaker and he hit into the standard bus. And actually, to be frank, no one got hurted. Only myself got hurted, and here I got a fracture also. Here I got a fracture and my head was damaged. Till my knowledge, there was no one was hurted. Like Pavitra was also like it wasn't. She's having some like intensity in this. She was in the shock. She was like saying, suddenly she saw me. What? Yeah. She was into the stop breath. Okay, she was into the stop breath, and I was into the unconscious mode.